Hello guys, how are you in this video? Sorry for this. Okay. As I say, this is a whiteboard, and in this video I'm trying to show you how to be perfect on mathematics. So we are going to start with the Unit 1 on Grade 6 Mathematics. So let's go to Unit 1. Fundamental concepts of set. What is set? We're going to see the introduction. So, fundamental concept of set. Introduction. In mathematics, the concept of sets is fundamental, but the term set is undefined. As you will see, there are many undefined terms in mathematics, such as set, element, point, line, and etc. Set. What is set? Definition. Sorry. What is the definition? A set is collection of well-defined objects. This is gonna be your first assignment. We are going to talk about it, and I'm going to tell you your first assignment, and after you just do the assignment by yourself, you are going to check it with me. So let's go. Okay, for example, let's see how can we say well-defined sets. When we say well-defined, we mean that the collection of the is described very clearly, so that nobody can have any ambiguity about which the object included in set. What is set? Set is a collection of well-defined objects. This was we learned this in grade 5, but now our teacher said you have to revise it on the grade 6. That's why I'm repeating this. So don't forget to share it, cause there are many people who don't know about a set. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. So how can we have an example? The first example is going to be the collection of people in United Arab Emirates. Sorry for it. So the second example is going to be the collection of natural numbers. What about the third? The third is going to be the set of all students in Cambridge Academy. So, sorry, my marker just... So, let's go to our lesson again. A set is a collection of well-defined objects. Collection of well-defined. So, as you see, you can define the objects. So that is why the set. The collection of people. You can define the people. Who are the people? The people in United Arab Emirates. The people where? In United Arab Emirates. From where? Where? United Arab Emirates. UAE. So, this is the meaning of set. So if you have any questions, you can write me below in the comment, so we can go to the next step because we don't have money time to finish this book because it is over 174 pages. Elements of sets. What is elements of sets? The symbol is like E. This is the symbol for the elements of sets. The object of the set are called members or elements of the set. E is a symbol. This one is a symbol for member or elements. Elements of a set are prepared by a comma, like this. This is a comma. For example, consider the set of the first 7 whole numbers. These sets can be denoted by the letter B. B. So, we are going to write B as a capital letter and exclamation mark, or like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also 6. I'm sorry for my handwriting because it is too bad. So it says consider the set of the first whole numbers. Whole number. What is a whole number? When you go to whole number is a number that has 0 in it. Natural number is a number which starts from 1, not 0, from 1. So, the 7 whole numbers. Why don't we add 7? Because when we count the numbers, they are already over 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's the first 7 whole numbers. It's also can be counted as 0 is a number too. So we are going to count 0 as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As a 7-digit we listed over here. We have to use capital letters to denote sets like A, B, or even C. So, 0 is the element of set B. It is true. How can we make it by for example, over here, when we write a 0 is element of B, we can write it by either way, like 0 is element, the symbol for element, 0, E, B. 1, element of B. What about 10? 10, not element. B. What is the difference between this one and this one? You can have the answer with you, but 0 is an element of B. As we list on B, there are 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, there are 6. On the 6, 0 is an element of B. It is true. And also, 1 is an element of B. It is true. 1 is over here. 10. What about 10? We can see 10 in here? No, we cannot see because there is no 10. It says the first 7 digits of whole numbers. So this is the symbol for NAD element. This is the symbol. So we are going to stop over here. On this video, we already see about sets, element of set, NAD element of set, and many things. So I'm going to give you some assignments that you can do at home. Don't be sure, this is not a window cleaner. So, on this, I'm going to give you a question, simple questions. I think you can see it. No, you cannot. So, over here, simple questions. What about now? You can see it. So, on the first question is going to be the collection of whole numbers. So on this part, I'm going to tell you, you have to say a said or not said. You can write the answer over here on your exercise book or paper, but this is the first question. The second question is going to be on this is a simple assignment, so I'm going to take 5 questions only. You have to say element or not element. On this situation, t is equal to 1, 2, 3. 25 is equal to dash t 3 dash t and 5 dash t. You can, as I told you, you have to say element or not element of t. This is the second question. Okay, let it be 3 because you are a beginner, and when we go to 100 we are going to have many questions. The last question, see, I think you are seeing this. The last question, C, list the elements of the following sets. You have to list the elements of the following sets. I didn't teach you about this because we are going to leave it and write true or false. Okay, let's go with this one. We are going to add such many questions over here, and we are going to finish with this one because there are many questions on my book and that are not with your computer. 25 dash t 3.0 dash t 2.0 dash t and 1.5 dash t. These are the following assignment for this new beginning video. This is gonna be the maths for beginners, so please don't forget to make the collection of whole numbers and on the T, element or not element. This is not element. I think it is not element, and you have to, if it is element, click write E. If it is not, write not element. So in the second exercise, I'm gonna let you know the answers, and also you can just when you are right, you have to tick, and when you are X, you have to click on X on your exercise book. So by that way, you will be perfect on English. So we are going to finish with this. Goodbye.